How to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp message. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you set an automatic reply on your WhatsApp business. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp business app with your account. After you open, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to tap on business tools. From Business Tools, you'll have to scroll down and come on the sections for Organize Your Chats. From the section, you'll be able to set the automatic reply for many category like greeting message, our message or quick replies. On the section greeting message, that message will be your welcome message for your customer. You can as usual turn it on and add your message like thank you for contacting us. On the second one, you have the away message like it will automatic reply when you are away from your WhatsApp account. You can as usual turn it on and add your message on here like I'm not able to reply now. Like you can add we are currently not available but I will respond you as soon as possible. And on the third one, you have the message like quick replies. You can use this for frequent messages. Like this will be used for the thankful message to your customers. And that's it. These are the customization you can set to automatic reply on your WhatsApp business. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.